Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a hot minute. I do have videos for you guys. I just need to edit them and upload them. It's just the quince is already here. Oh my god, today is my daughter's birthday. Today is actually her birthday, May 13th. She turned 15 today. Got a little sash and everything. I'll put a little picture here. That way you guys can see. So yeah, she's 15. I can't believe that, a 15-year-old. Like, I just remember finding out I was pregnant. I remember when I brought her home from the hospital. It's just, years go by so fast. So if you are a new mom and you just had a baby, or your baby is like a year or two or whatever, cherish those moments because they do go by super fast. I still miss her being a baby. But her quinceañera is a Saturday, and so I know this video says about the shoes, but the reason why I'm going to be talking about my daughter is because her quinceañera is the Cinderella theme. If you've been keeping up with me, you guys already know this. And I did a video of the first pair of Cinderella shoes that I unboxed for her quince about like a year ago, because they were limited edition. And I got the last pair of the other shoes that my other daughter Addison is going to wear, since she is a dama, meaning that she is in the court, meaning that she's one of those girls that walk, you know, with her escorts and stuff like that. And all the other girls are supposed to be wearing silver heels, but because this is my daughter's quince, I thought it would be really cool for my little one to wear some Cinderella shoes as well, but a little different. So although my daughters they're my daughters, they're not stepsisters or anything like that. And the reason why I say that is because the shoes that we picked for my little one are actually, I'm opening it right now because I just got it in. They are right now. So we wanted it to be all the Cinderella theme, and I've just been so busy that it's like, dude, by the time I got to order them, I guess in a way it's good that I waited because they were on sale. Normally they're like 125 or something like that, and I got them for, I think it was 75, but then I paid fast shipping or something like that, and then I got it for $101 and a couple of change. So this is the box. It's a little different than my other one. The same box, except that this one's a lot smaller than the other box that I have. Those shoes, if you want to see that other video with those heels, I will link that video in the description in the bottom. But these are Addison's shoes that she's going to wear for my oldest daughter's quince. So the thing about Irregular Choice, if you've never heard of them or anything like that, their shoes are freaking amazing. I've never worn them, but I mean, like, the style of them, they're very, very detailed. They are beautiful. I know, like, the owner or whatever, like, it's actually from the UK. I believe there's 2 stores or 3 stores online that I know that you get to order them from the US. And I ordered them from Tilted Soul. I will put their link on the description in the bottom if you guys want to check out any other Irregular Choice. They have like Muppet Babies, they have Toy Story, they have Alice in Wonderland. They have so many different ones, but of course, since my daughter's quince is Cinderella, we went ahead and did that. So the box is like this. It's very detailed. It gives you, you know, the birds, the castle, the Cinderella, the fairy godmother, and then the carriage and the castle and all of that on here. Let me open this drawer so I can pretty much show you guys. I haven't seen, because as you can see, I just got them in literally like 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm so excited. So the tissue paper actually is Cinderella as well. I will show you that really, really quick. I'm pretty sure you're like, hey, bro, show me the shoes. I'm dying to know what they look like as well. But the tissue right here is Cinderella as well. It's pink and it says Disney, and it has the little bluebirds and little mice from Cinderella, which I think is so cute. Like, even down to the box to end their tissue is like so, how can I say, detailed. And then it comes with a white one inside. Oh my god, they are so fucking amazing. So these are the shoes that we picked. She wanted the stepsisters because she's not a stepsister, she is my daughter's real sister, and there's nothing wrong with that, but she was like, Mom, I want to be like different. I want the Cinderella shoes like her. My little one, if you guys don't know, she won the junior pageant, and she's more my sporty girl. She's my rock star. She's my drummer. She plays drums. She's in percussion. She's very, 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 very smart. Too smart. But no one can really be too smart. She's very smart. She's not one that her being a queen for where we're from Alice as a pageant, she's learning how to embrace beauty within and out and being a role model, and I've seen a huge change in her and dressing up a little bit more girly, wearing a little bit more makeup, and so yeah. But she's not a heel person. She loves boots. She loves tennis shoes like me. I love tennis shoes, sandals, but she's like, Mom, I really don't want to wear a heel for the quince. I'm going to be very, very uncomfortable. And I said, I understand that. So I got her these, and this one, sorry, I don't know why I started coughing, but this one I believe is Drizelda. I couldn't remember the name. I had to Google it real quick. I know the other one's Anastasia, but I could never remember this one. So this is Drizelda. These are the shoes that it's the inside like the other high heel, and then it has like the little stars and the purple hearts, and then on this side it's all like that. Then on the back right here, it is gold, and if I would have waited and not googled it, I would have known that it says Drizella, that's her name, Drizella. And then it has this glitter, like multicolored glitter that goes right here. It has the gold heel. This heel looks really nice and sturdy. It's gold. And then this right here is a bow, and it's glitter and it's green, and it is so freaking pretty. And then you'll see the detail right here that has, excuse my nail, I broke nails, like a pink glitter, and it doesn't look hard. It doesn't shed. I don't see it shedding at all. And then on this side, it's both of them all around it. And then the bottom part, of course, has the castle, the carriage, the coach, and all that. And that's what the heel looks like. These are size 36, so it says like a 5.5. She's between a 6, so I'm hoping they fit her, because the only size they had, and some of their sizes are actually do run big. So yeah. So that is that. Let me show you guys the other one. So there's pretty much the same, except this one has Anastasia, and then it has the same detailing, everything. It has, except for the bow. The bow is pink rather than green, because of course Anastasia has the pink dress. Drizella has the green dress, and then right here it has the green right here, I guess, just to give it a little, like, you know, this one's a pink bow with the green, the other one's a green bow with the pink. And then it right here, you'll see it has Anastasia, and then the same multicolor, the same this, and then the back part is different. It has Cinderella with the fairy godmother, and then the birds. And then of course the inside is the exact same as the other one, the Cinderella. And oh my god, these are so freaking pretty that they are literally worth the money that you spent on them, because they are so freaking detailed. It's just so freaking pretty. And the fact that their dresses are navy blue, this is gonna go perfectly with it. We hemmed her dress where it's just a little bit of like above where you get to see her shoes. I know that should be super comfortable, and oh my god, they're so freaking amazing and pretty, and I cannot wait for her to wear these and try them on. But they are exquisite. And yeah, that is it, guys. I wanted to show you guys these shoes from Irregular Choice. I got these from Tilted Soul, which I will put the link in the description, and they are amazing. I do have the other video of the Cinderella. If you want to see that video, please click on the link description on the bottom, and you guys can see those. Those are actually high heels, and they're all Cinderella. And that is about it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are having a Cinderella quinceañera, I suggest you get these shoes quick, because I don't know, I think I bought the last one on Tilted Soul. I'm pretty sure You can find them at the other websites. If you were just to put Irregular Choice, you can probably look for them on their website, although their website is from the UK. So if you're not from the UK, it might take longer to get here, but they have other websites that sell Irregular Choice. So anyway, that is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.